If your Roblox game is stuck under review, follow these steps to check why and get it approved faster. First, log in to Roblox Studio and open your game settings. Go to the permissions and publishing sections to confirm all required information is filled in. Incomplete fields, missing descriptions, or unapproved assets can keep a game under review. Next, check your game's assets for any prohibited content, including scripts, plugins, or third party assets that violate Roblox rules. Remove or replace anything flagged, as this is a common reason reviews are delayed. After verifying everything, save your changes and resubmit the game for review. If it remains stuck for several days, contact Roblox support with your game ID and screenshots of completed settings. Following these steps helps speed up the preview process and get your game live. That's how to fix a Roblox game stuck under review.